Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to another Recent Watch List. We're going to discuss stock, crypto, and commodities. And also, we're going to overview what happened to the market last week and outlook to come. Let's get into it. All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. What happened to the market and what's the main reason of the major sell-off for October? As we show you guys last week on the weekend watch list, the October at the last week and last 2 weeks usually is positive for market, but why we didn't get that happen and why we still going down? So today we're gonna discuss what happened to the market and what we're gonna watch for the next 24 hours and outlook to come. So as you guys can see, we had some big mega cap earnings last week, I'm sorry. And you guys can see the Google was down almost 10% for the week. And some of the energy sectors as Exxon and CVX, Chevron got hammered. And also financial stocks and healthcare stocks are down bad. But so finally we got the extreme fear after the major sell-off and we got the 24 number. But you guys know after we get the bearish statement, and actually it's good because we can understand everyone is bearish right now. So we have to make sure to change the statement, because if everyone bearish and everyone wants to short the market, we have to change the statement of the market and we have to make sure we're going to opposite side, because as everyone gonna short the market maker doesn't gonna pay them, and and I believe we are right now oversold and market gonna bounce. But let's get into some do earnings and we're gonna do some charts and we're gonna find out where market gonna go and what's the potential of the market. All right, let's see what we do have for the earnings for this week. On Monday, we do have the McDonald's before bell, and after bell, we do have a Pinterest. And on Tuesday, we got Pfizer, Caliper, the most important before bell. And after bell, we need to watch AMD, because one of the things we need to watch how the chips gonna play out. And on Wednesday, before open, we do have a wafer, and after close, PayPal and Roku and Qualcomm. And also, I'm gonna watch Etsy. So one of the important stocks I'm gonna look. And some people talking about Airbnb, but I'm not gonna interested because I believe Airbnb has the price has need to adjust and go down. And the most important day for the earnings is Thursday. Before open, we do have Palantir, Shopify, and Ella Lilly. One of the important stocks for I would say everyone is gonna is Apple. So basically, Apple, one of the most important stock right now. Everyone watched, and we're gonna see what's gonna happen with Apple. They do have some margin problems, but let's see what's gonna happen. And after close, we do have Coinbase, Starbucks, and DraftKings. But and last but not least, on Friday we do have Fubu, and I don't think the rest of them is so important. At least I'm not gonna watch any of them. So let's get to do some charts, and we begin with the SPY charts. Let's see, SPY 4 hours chart. What's going on here? We got the 408 support, and we still need to fill that gap on 406. But the scenario of this market, let's see how it's going to play out. But I will wait to price come back at 415, because we do see future right now is green. I believe we need to some pullback, because right now the market is so oversold on the daily, as I showed you guys. But I believe 415 or 421 is going to be major resistance for the market, and after that we could see some pullback is coming, something like that, and boom, after that is coming down. But let's see how it's gonna hold. But I'm gonna show you guys on the weekly chart what's I find out. This is the trend 9 I draw from the 2020 low crash and 2022 low October. And right now I believe this trend 9 could help us to identify this bottom for this year. But let's see how it's going to play out. But I believe this trend 9 could help us, and I believe the bottom for the market for this year it could be 402 or liquid this area around 400, and that's my belief. And let's see how it's going to play out. 4 hours short, what's going on here? Finally, we broke down the wage pattern, and right now we are at the support 342. we need to see some pullback to area 251, and after that I believe market is coming down again to retest that 242. And if things get ugly, I believe 233 is the for the gap fill, and market is gonna hold from there. And after that, we can see some pullback is coming because market is gonna be so oversold. And after that, we will see some bounce, and buyer is gonna step in. IWM, what's going on here? So I want to show you guys something. So I drew in the market. I believe this is the wake off market structure. So this is the max pain I believe market wants for IWM. It's around 152, 151. So I believe this is the bottom for the IWM. I can show you guys on the weekly chart. And if we put the Fibonacci from bottom to top, so I believe 618, this is golden zone, it's gonna hold. But which one is gonna be the max pain? Maybe it can come down more, but I believe that 618 for this year is potentially fair. But let's see how it's gonna play. All right, Nvidia, my favorite stock. I can show you guys this head and shoulder is playing out very well, but still no confirmation. But you guys have to know this head and shoulder has to break that neckline. If we don't break that neckline, it means that a head and shoulder doesn't work. And basically wait for the break that area 394 or 400 area, and then pull back. After pull back to 400 area, you guys can short easy to around 267, but wait for the confirmation for the Nvidia. All right, Tesla, what we got this week for Tesla? This is 4 hours chart for Tesla. I still believe this area is so important. 207, we still hold that area after one week, but I believe Tesla need to bounce from this area. But if we get any gap down below to 2 area, so I believe market is coming down to this 162 area again. But it's no confirmation. I always believe we need to see a confirmation, and after that we could short the Tesla. But for now, I believe on Monday, Tuesday, Tesla is bullish. All right, AAPL 4 hours chart. So this is the 4 hours chart for Apple. I believe this range could work out well, but so as I showed you guys on QQ, we could see that this pattern broken down and doesn't work. But sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. We cannot say it's 100%, but we still 166 support is holding well, and this area of the range still holding this Apple. But let's see how the earning is gonna be on Thursday and what market brings us. But I believe this area around 176 could be some support for Apple. All right, next chart, Microsoft. So we get the fake after the big earning, and we wiped out almost all the gain from the earnings, but we still do have this very important support 226.20, my bad. And let's see what's gonna happen, and if it's hold, we're gonna chop this in this area. If doesn't, and if we get any gap down, we will see market is coming down, and Microsoft is coming down with them, and we could see easily 250 on Microsoft next week. Next chart, Google, what's going on here? We're still at the 122 support, but this support is still holding, but we do have a gap in this area on around 125.60. But let's see if market wants to fill this gap and then coming down, or market wants to come down. Amazon 4 hours chart, what's happened? So basically we got a good earning for Amazon and we capped up. So basically I believe we need to come back to this area of 124 area and then pull back to go up. But I'm still neutral on Amazon because we didn't go anywhere. It's almost sideways for the past 2 months, but we got a good earning. But let's see if we break above 131.37, I'm gonna be bullish, and I will expect 137 come true. All right, let's do some comments here, and we begin with the oil. So guys, I want to show you guys how it works. Last time we drew this on the weekend watch list, and it's played very well, and we hit the target around 82 area, and this support is still work well. So basically, this is the buy area. You guys have to make sure if you guys want to play oil, always buy around 82. As long as we hold above this, we are bullish. But if we see any pressure coming down below that area, so I would say we go bearish, and oil prices is going down. All right, old man, what's happened? Oh my God, this impulsive move is still going, and where we're going, I would say like 3,000, maybe. I'm joking, but the thing is, for the gold, we're still bullish. There is no sign of rejection. If you want, I know you guys want to short gold, but you guys have to be aware of a strong momentum. If you guys see any strong momentum, don't short it. Please wait for the consolidation. At least we could see some consolidation here. And then after we got the pop, let's see how it works, and let's see what we get. Any news this week, but maybe at the Powell we're gonna see some strength coming to the dollar, and then we will see the gold is coming down. But still, if you want to short this gold, you guys still shorted at 2009, but I believe we could go above 2021, and 2032 is the next level for the gold. But for the short term and downside, I still believe 1985 is the major area for gold if gold wants to pull back and go up again. All right, Fun JP Wolf or JJ 4 hours chart. What's going on? What we got is almost chop for the entire week, but the thing is, we're still at 181. This is the major support for JJ. If we get any gap down or any set pressure below this 181 300, we could see markets coming down and pull back, and again we can come to 179 area. But this is my honest for now. But if we stay above 181, I would be bullish again. And Euro USD, what's happened? As we mentioned last weekend watch list, you guys has to wait the price go above this area, 100.606. But we get that. But after that, we got the fake. So I would say this is the fake rally. So we couldn't stay above that. We need to price come above this area and stay above this area, and then we could see some buying pressure is coming. But before that, I still gonna be bearish for this pair. All right, let's do the crypto, Bitcoin, and the Ethereum, and we're gonna wrap it up with the economic calendar. All right, so I wouldn't expect any buyers, but as you guys see that ETF got approved and Bitcoin moved, and this analysis I had like almost for 4 months is, I would say, is wrong or gone, but you never gonna know. So what's gonna happen? Right now, as I can see, this is the bull flag we do have, but so how it's gonna play for this bull flag? So wait for this area. If we go above this area, we can go rally, and if we break down this bull flag, we coming down again to 3,000 areas, and then chop for most of the time, and then maybe we're gonna get pop. Last one at least, Ethereum 4 hours chart. We got the same position of the Bitcoin. We got the bull flag. Let's see how it's gonna play out. If we broke, we go up, and if we break down, we go down. This is simple. And let's get to some economic calendar, and we're gonna wrap it up. Let's wrap it up this video. What we get on Monday, October 30, we don't have any major news, and even on Tuesday, October 31st, we don't have any big events. But I would say on Wednesday, November was so important. ADP, employment, and ISM manufacturing, and also Fed Chair Powell is going to talk at 2:30 as always. So it's so important, and we're gonna see Federal Reserve gonna rate hike or not. This is the important meeting, and we will not get any meeting until January 2nd, 2024. And on Thursday, we do have initial jobs, and after hours, we got earnings for Apple. And last one at this, on Friday, we got the US unemployment rate and non-farm payrolls. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you guys have any question, please put in the comment. I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you find any value on this video, please put the like and subscribe. Thank you so much, guys. See you guys on the next video.